Hey, Henry Carter, the rent-to-own man. I'm at 4617 Chutney Drive. We have work in progress. We got about 2 more days. It's really looking good, so I wanted to give you a chance to look at it. Henry Carter, www.carterrenttoown. My phone number is 615-202-5228. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 4617 Chutney Drive in lovely Antioch. Hardwood floors, new carpet, new toilets. That's right, new toilets. New sinks. Let me show you around. Now this is the brand new floor that we've got. We're in the living room now. Big vaulted ceiling, new ceiling fans everywhere. Look at this house. Man, it is great. See the new floor? It is so cool. You don't get all the, mites and sites and all that kind of stuff from the carpet. I don't like carpet. Carpet is nasty. Let's not use it where we don't have to. Speaking of not using carpet, we've got, obviously you need it in the bedrooms, but we've got ceramic tile in the kitchen and the bath, and also in the study room. Now we're going into the kitchen, and obviously it's still work in progress, but the main work is done. New water heater, new ceramic tile all the way around. Going to be a new dishwasher there. This little study room out here, I just love it. It's so bright and light. All right, now we're looking back into the kitchen. We're walking on. That's the master bedroom. We're going to have to duck down a little bit for this piece of trim. Brand new carpet in here. Brand new ceiling fan. Let me take you into the bathroom. New toilets. That's right. Not only new toilets for Carter Rent to Own. There I am. Carter Rent to Own. Henry Carter. Let me take you and show you the other 2 bedrooms. I love this flooring. We also, the little things like this registry. A lot of people just paint over them. We put a brand new one in. Thermostats, brand new one. Now, a little dark in here. We don't have all the lights in yet. We got the pedestal sink. We got the new door, new toilet. We're still putting this room together. This is the 2nd bedroom. We're going to go upstairs. We're going to show you that's the 3rd bedroom. And we're going to go upstairs and show you the 4th bedroom, which obviously used to be an attic, and now they've built it out into a bedroom. New carpet. Also got a supplemental heating and air unit up here. Really cool. I'm not sure. I did show you the 1st bedroom. The 1st bedroom's off the living room. Back in the living room, and there's the 1st bedroom. None of the bedrooms are just, and look at that. We got brand new door hardware, brand new mini blinds, brand new mailbox. I mean, it is brand new. None of these rooms are extremely large, but it's a nice, cozy 4-bedroom, 2-bath house in Antioch. It backs up to the woods, the Corps of Engineer land. Big, long lot, not extremely deep, but very long. Antioch zone for schooling. This is where you need to be. You need to quit renting and quit flushing your money down the drain. I'm at 4617 Chutney Drive. Talked until there's nothing else to say. God bless America, and I love grandmamas. Thanks. Man, oh man, nice house.